30 days of making the bed challenge. Something I just decided to come up with to see if that I could try and motivate myself to make the bed for 30 days in a row. Buckle in, it's going to be a journey. So we're starting off day one with stripping the bed and taking off the grey sheet and the pillowcases and swapping it out for this green fitted sheet. I got this set fitted sheet, a flat sheet and 2 pillowcases from Woolworths. It was on sale for like $18 or something. It's the everyday range, I don't know. And I was like, yes, a green sheet. We used to have a green sheet before. I really like the colour and I thought it would look good, especially the green pillowcases, for the quilt cover that I eventually want to get, but haven't got around to that yet. So day 2 is here and I'm feeling super motivated. It is 5:30 in the evening when I'm making said bed, and all I am doing is literally pulling all of the covers up because it was still quite cold by the time the evening came. So by making the bed, it just made the bed feel a little bit nicer to get in. So I did learn at least that lesson with making the bed every day and enjoying putting some of the pillows on the bed. Not every day, got the royal treatment of making the bed. Day 3, I came in to make the bed and then went, hang on, I've got to go do something, I'll be back. I never got back. Day 4, and again late in the afternoon. As you can see, some Wednesdays have been super busy. Once I'm out of the house, I tend to do as much as I can before coming home. Otherwise, once I get home, then that's the end of it. I tend not to head out again. I'm pretty sure by this point in time, I was feeling a false sense of security that I would be able to do this every day, even if it's late in the afternoon. Because as you can see, just like that, it's Saturday. We've missed Thursday and Friday, and now it's Saturday. And the only reason why I probably made the bed today is because I'm stripping the bed to wash all the bed sheets. I'm counting this as day 6, even though it's probably about 14 days down the track by now. So I've really lost count of what day is what and where I am and what's going on. But today I decided to make the bed Sunday and I was feeling super motivated, and I thought that I would be annoying and make sure that we put every single pillow that we own on the bed. I know that my hubby hates it and we have since decluttered many of the pillows. Although I've got here it's day 7, it's probably about day 14 or something. I am less than about 50% of the way actually completing this task by now. Oh my gosh, I love fitted sheets, but sometimes when the ping off the corners in the middle of the night, it is so frustrating and I can't figure out how to get it back on again, or I'm just so tired. So yes, I am sure that I have made the bed at least once or twice during the week, because this was the week that I was actually also decluttering the bedroom, and so I needed to make sure that the bed was made each day so I could put things on top of it to be able to fold towels or laundry. At this point in time, I also knew that I was going to be decluttering some of the pillows, so I was just taking advantage of the opportunity to put as many on here as I can to make it look good. It doesn't look good with all the different colours and hickory-pickory that's there. The one day during the week on Thursday, I spent all day in bed with vertigo, so that did not help me. And another day, my daughter was in bed all day with a migraine. So at least 2 days were out of my control, which is totally fine. Today's bed making task was very easy, thank goodness. For some reason, all the blankets are still on the bed, even if not still neat, but it was pretty easy to be able to pick things up. And I think also I recorded this as a little bit of a video reminder to myself that making the bed will only take 2 minutes, not 5 or 10 like people say, and it's just a quick pickup. Again, I did make this bed, however, so I could then fold laundry and towels and things like that, because also I'm pretty sure I needed it for a cleaning video, so I felt like I'd done the right thing as well. I know that they say making your bed every single day is a really good habit to get into, and I always have the best intentions, but shoulda, woulda, coulda, what can I say? Oh well, the laundry is done now and I'm pretty happy with that. It's Monday, so it's good to see that I'm able to keep up a little bit of a standard routine, making the bed on a Sunday and a Monday, but also because Mondays I don't have anywhere to be, so I tend not to leave the house. Still, it's the afternoon when I'm doing this, and I haven't exactly straightened out the bed sheets, but so be it. I was also missed of decluttering as well, so you can see here we've made the bed so it looks good. Another day here, another pull up, another half attempt. By now I can see that I've given up on putting 200 pillows on the bed. It's Saturday the 12th. The numbers are not looking good, but I can see behind me that I've managed to declutter the first part of the wardrobe. So we're halfway there with at least the general bedroom, and hopefully soon I'll be finished with making the bed because I was a bit over it by now, let me tell you. Sunday again. We are washing all the bed sheets again for some reason. I don't know. Oh my gosh, there is no rhyme or reason to how I do the housework some days. Some days I wash the bed sheets every week and some I wash them every fortnight. So please tell me how often you wash your bed sheets. It's Friday the 18th of October. It is the day of that we're leaving for Melbourne. So again, I need to make the bed so it looks good so I can film my packing video because I have left everything to the last minute in packing. That's just who I am. And again, I don't think I bothered with the fancy pillows. I just kind of did everything basic as I didn't even bother with the pink blanket on here. I just left it as white because I figured it would look good. And then 2 additional days I kind of counted because I had to make the bed in the hotel. I had to separate them and then remake the beds. And we did pull them up the next day because we asked for there to be no housekeeping so we could get extra points as a rewards members for staying in the hotel and not needing hotel services. So let me know, do you make your bed every day? How do you go? Because this little duck here is not very good at it. I will try again in the new year, maybe when there's less things happening around the house. I'm not sure I've learned anything from this anyway. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate you and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.